Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up brands in the car dealership module. Setting up your brands properly makes it much easier to organize your vehicle inventory by manufacturer, so your team can find what they need without any confusion. Let's get started. From the menu, click on Car Dealership to open the Dealership Management area. This is your central hub for everything related to managing vehicles, brands, and dealership operations. Click on System Setup to access the configuration options for this module. This is where you'll set up the foundational details like brands before you start adding actual inventory. Click here to go to the Brands page. This is where every vehicle brand your dealership works with gets listed and managed. Click on the Name field and type in the brand you want to add. For example, Toyota or Honda. Keeping this consistent and accurate matters, since this brand name will be linked to every vehicle you add under it later. Once you've entered the name, click Create to save the new brand. It's now added to your list and ready to be linked to vehicles in your inventory. After creating it, you'll see the brand name reflected in your brands list, confirming everything was saved correctly. From here, you can always come back to edit or add more brands as your dealership grows. And that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.